Hello student, today we are going to discuss all numbers of exercise 3.3. Chapter name is data handling. So let's start. First number is here. Use the bar graph to answer the following question. In vertical line numbers of students represent and in horizontal line pet animals are there. So using this bar graph we will do the numbers of the following questions. So first question is here, which is the most popular pet? Since height of the bar of the cat is more, so most popular pet is here cat. Similarly, how many students have dog as a pet? Using this bar graph we can clearly observe 8 students have dog as a pet. Next is read the bar graph which shows the numbers of books sold by the bookstore during 5 consecutive years and answer the following question. First question is how many books were sold in 1989 and 1990, 1992. So in vertical line numbers of book there and horizontal line years represent. So books sold in 1989 is 180. Similarly, books sold in 1990 is 480 and books sold in 1992 is 220. Second number, in which year were about 475 books sold and about 225 books sold. So around 475 books were sold in 1990 and around 225 books were sold in 1992. We can observe this answer easily in this graph. In which year were fewer than 250 books sold? So fewer than 250 means less than 250. It is clearly observed that in 1989 and 1992 lower than 250 books were sold in these 2 years. Next, can you explain how would you estimate the numbers of books sold in 1989? Yes, we estimate the books by drawing the horizontal line from the top of the 1989 bar to y-axis, where the line touches y-axis to the numbers of books. Third number of children in 6 different classes are given below. Represent this data on the bar graph. Here the class and number of children are given in this table. Class start from 5th to 10th and number of respective number of children are there. So using this table we will represent this data on the bar graph. So in x-axis class we have taken and in y-axis number of children, and here 1 unit length is 10 student. Here size is 10 student. First bit is how would you choose a scale? Since number of children are from 80 to 135, we draw a bar graph from 0 to 140, so with a gap of 10, so 1 unit length equal to 1 student. Which class has maximum number of children and the minimum? Since height of 5th class is more, so maximum number of children are in 5th class and in minimum number of children are in 10th class. So maximum number of children are from 5th class and the minimum number of children are from class 10th. Second number is we have to find out the ratio of 6 and 8 class. So numbers of children in 6 class is 120 and number of student in class 8 is here 100. So ratio is 120 divided by 100. When you simplify that, we get 12 by 10. So ratio is here 12 by 10. The simplest form of 120 and 100 is 12 by 10. So ratio is here 12 is to 10. Next is the performance of student in first term and second term are given below. Draw a double bar graph choosing appropriate scale and answer the following question. So here the subject English, Hindi, Math, Science and Social Science, and first term, second term, out of 100 marks, following marks are given in a table. Okay, so using this table you will represent this data on the graph. Since marks are 65 to 95, we draw the bar graph from 0 to 100 with a gap of 10. So subjects we are taken in x-axis and marks are taken in y-axis, and the scale is here 1 unit length equal to 10 marks. As it is a double bar graph, means two sets of data represent simultaneously on a graph. So we will use two sets, one is lining, other one is solid. So English mark is 67 first term and 70. So first we represent 67, then 70 and so on. So first question is, in which subject has the child improved his performance most and which subject the improvement is the least? Here we need to find out the difference between two terms, first term and second term. Then first one is the performance most in which subject, and the second one the improvement is least. So first we calculate the difference between two terms of different subject, English, Hindi. So improvement in English first is 70, then and 65, the difference is 3, and Hindi -7, in Math 7, and Science 4, Social Science 2. So here is the difference. So let's check the difference in performance of all subjects. Since our first question is which subjects have the most improvement, so 7 is the highest, most popular, and 2 is the least. So answer is Math and the Social Science. So improvement in most in Math and improvement in least in Social Science. Since difference is 7 in Math and 2 in Social Science, since we could not talking about the improvement, we don't count the negative part. So answer is Math and Social Science. Next is, has the performance gone down in subject, in any subject? Yes, performance in Hindi has gone down. Next, consider this data collected from the survey of colony, favorite sports, cricket, basketball, swimming, hockey and athletics, watching and participating. Some data is there. Here the number of people are from 105 to 1240. So 1 unit length is here 100 people. So using this table we will do a bar graph. In x-axis sports are taken and in y-axis numbers of people taken with the gap of 100. And since it is a double bar graph, we will use two sets, one is solid, other one is lining. Draw a double bar graph, choose the appropriate scale. What do you infer from the bar graph? So we will see that the number of people participating is around half of those watching. Number of people watching cricket is most and athletics is here least. Which sports is the most popular? Since bar of cricket is high, so it is a most popular game. Which is more preferred? Watching, participating in the sports. Watching is more preferred as the bar of watching is higher than the bar of participating. So watching is more preferred as playing or participating. Next, take the data giving the minimum and maximum temperature of various cities given in beginning of this chapter. Plot the double bar graph using the data and answering the following questions. So here the different cities: Ahmedabad, Amritsar, Bangalore, Chennai, Delhi, Jaipur, Jammu and Mumbai, maximum and minimum temperature there. So here the temperature from 21 degree centigrade to 41 degree centigrade. So we will draw a bar graph from 0 to 45 with a gap of 5. So temperature of Ahmedabad difference, we need to calculate the difference. So maximum minus minimum, 38 minus 29 is 9. Temperature of Amritsar, 37 minus 26, 11. Temperature of Bangalore, 28 minus 21, 7, and so on. We can calculate the difference. So largest temperature difference is in Jammu because difference is 15 here. Which is the hottest city and the coldest city? Hottest city is city with highest maximum temperature, that is Jammu, and coldest is Bangalore here. Name two cities where maximum temperature of one was less than the minimum temperature of other. Maximum temperature of Bangalore is 28 and minimum temperature of Jaipur is also 28. So answer is Bangalore and Jaipur. Name the city which has the least difference between its minimum and maximum temperature. Least difference is here Mumbai. Difference is here 5, so least difference is Mumbai.